Good afternoon. It is August 8th, 2024, and today we had this spike in channel that was formed from this news item at 5:30 a.m. So you can see we quickly hit a measured move. Then we kind of went sideways for a while till we got a break of that channel and then moved to a new high. And uh, right now we're getting some selling pressure. It looks like it might be moving in some sort of channel here. Uh, this will give you a better idea of what's going on. Is we're in this bull channel. Um, we we made a break of the bull channel and hit a measured move to the low side, and we bounced. So here's what it looks like on the daily chart. Is today looks like a bullish reversal bar. A lot of trapped bears in there. Uh, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. But for now, it's just sideways stuff. So again, here's a one last look at that 30,000 tick chart. We bounced and made this double bottom in the overnight, and then we just went up from there. And now we're back in this channel. You can see we found resistance at the midline. So anyway, I think the 2600 chart looks pretty good today. Unfortunately, not a lot of scalps, but as long as you're buying low today, you're going to make money. And so in the overnight, we have this channel up, get a break, and we just go sideways for a while till 5:30 when we get this news item. And this channel, unfortunately, this channel is hard to find. Probably easier on this chart, the 6500 tick chart. If we draw off these highs, you know, this channel that I have drawn looks like it could be valid, but let's take a look at how it looks here. Oops, I'll just delete it. Yeah, you can see not as much. See, it's still an overshoot on this chart. There, you can see that midline holding prices. So this is not very easy to find unless you draw it off the highs right away. Then it's pretty easy to find. But anyway, I marked up the 2600 tick chart. So we break out to the high side. Not a lot of high probability setups in here, a lot of overlap. We break out to the low side, and then we get this double bottom, and a lot of buying comes in, and we form a new high. And then these bears get trapped. Let's see. So they got a 4-point move, and they all took profits, and that's what made this get a second leg up. Then you get a pullback, first entry, second entry. You know, not very clear setup, but you might have this trend line drawn. I don't think you would have these lows though. So it's just aggressive. And then we get a higher low. Maybe you take that one. Here you get like some stalling right here. So maybe this is a second entry long. Maybe this is a higher low. Just not easy to take though, unless you buy with limit orders down here, which I would be in favor of. Same thing here. If you want to buy that, I think you got to buy with a limit order. And we form this like wedge top before some bulls take profits. You get a double top, boom, sell off, pulls back, bounces off this trend line. First entry, second entry long off of this trend line. That's basically confirmation, because we know it's there because of the highs, the trend line. So if you drag it down, this is kind of like confirmation, but we get a push up and then it just dies off and comes down here. So you do get this like second entry here, but they stop everyone out and then it goes higher, comes back, tests this price level. This is an aggressive entry. You can see a lot of people took it. It does look like a two-legged pullback. And that's all I really saw here. We just got this big bull move just now. Let's see if this 6500 chart has better setups. Yeah, this is definitely, I mean, I don't think you would see this again. Second entry long. It's off the EMA, so I think that's worth it. Second entry long off the EMA. You could argue for this one too. Double test, second entry long right there. Closed bearish, so I guess I'll mark it green. So yeah, that's what we're looking at today. So there's one last look at it. Hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.